Walking through the city, I'm spacing, my mind be racing. Why take time when I'm so impatient? Why rock rhymes when I'm stationed in a place where they don't speak with this kind of technique? I'm an outsider, looking in with a grin like Charlie Sheen. Swag of a winner, brag over dinner by all the pretty girls I've seen. All the cities I have been, Spitfire, gasoline. No trendy hipster, cool kid player, part of any scene. Moi, encore une fois, open loops for my troops. All of my women, all of my dudes, as I'm getting closer to my roots. I'm saying, I'm staying, I'm playing the game all the same. I won't fall cause I know the game. I'm saying, I'm playing the game. It's all the same, it's all the same, it's all the same. I've been trying to maintain this, trying to remain sane with all this strangeness. All of these strangers fucking with my ego cause they know what my name is, but they don't know what my aim is. Actually I'm still aimless. Everybody's trying to be famous, but they don't understand what the game is. Nah. If it gotta be what it be, then I gotta see what's in it for me. In the sense that I see that I roam homeless, zone chromeless. I'm not sitting nor spitting like INC. Microphone is my vehicle for anything meaningful. Anytime I see a few options, continue to roll with the punches. Follow my hunches. Need to eat less cause there's less time for crunches. I munch this beat cause I'm hungry MC. Term vocalist, productionist, spiritual instructionist, deconstructionist. No matter what fuss it is, I'm trying to get rid of any fuzziness. Loving this as opposed to the untrustworthy herd mentality. You heard nothing for me. Gemini, Rubian, whatever box you stick me in, I'm sick of them. Transcending, never ending. No, I'm saying, I'm staying, I'm playing the game all the same. I won't fall cause I know the game. I'm saying, I'm playing the game. It's all the same, it's all the same, it's all the same.